Ladies and gentlemen, another rightful, legal, constitutional, lawful smackdown for Donald Trump and the Trump administration, Trump regime, yet again. An appeals court has reportedly smacked him down again with his attempts to downsize the federal government illegally. Why is that? Well, let's figure that out and get to the bottom of the legal analysis and break it all down in this legal breaking reporting. This legal breaking reporting article is by Clickeretto. Ladies and gentlemen, the article is titled Appeals Court, keeps block on Trump administration's downsizing of the federal workforce. Ladies and gentlemen, that article reads, an appeals court on Friday refused to freeze a California-based judge's order halting the Trump administration from downsizing the federal workforce, which means that the Department of Government Efficiency-led cuts remain on pause for now. A split 3-judge panel of the U.S. Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals found that the downsizing could have significant ripple effects on everything from the nation's food safety system to veteran health care, and should stay on hold while a lawsuit plays out. The judge who dissented, however, said President Donald Trump likely does have the legal authority to downsize the executive branch, and there is a separate process for workers on appeal. The Republican administration had sought an emergency stay of an injunction issued by a U.S. Judge Susan Ilston of San Francisco in a lawsuit brought by labor unions and sites cities including San Francisco and Chicago, and the group Democracy Forward. The Justice Department has also previously appealed her ruling to the Supreme Court. One of a string of emergency appeals arguing federal judges had overstepped their authority. The judge's order questioned whether Trump's administration was acting lawfully in trying to par the federal workforce. Trump has repeatedly said voters gave him a mandate to remake the federal government and he tapped billionaire Elon Musk to lead the charge through the Department of Government Efficiency. Let's get one thing straight here, Donald Trump, aka Orange Cheeto, aka Taco Boy. You do not have a mandate. Elon Musk stole the election for you, which is highly illegal of him to do, and you have him illegally, had him illegally in the United States government. Taco Boy. Screw you, Donald Trump. Tens of thousands of federal workers have been fired, have left their jobs via deferred resignation programs, or have been placed on leave. There is no official figure for the job cuts, but at least 75,000 federal employees took deferred resignations, and thousands of probationary workers have already been let go. Yellowstone's order directs numerous federal agencies to halt acting on the president's workforce executive order signed in February and a subsequent memo issued by DOJ and the Office of Personnel Management. Yellowstone, who was nominated to the bench by former President Bill Clinton, a Democrat, wrote in her ruling that presidents can make large-scale overhauls of federal agencies, but only with the cooperation of Congress. Lawyers for the government say that the executive order and memo calling for large-scale personnel reductions and reorganization plans provided only general principles that agencies should follow in exercising their own decision-making process. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for today's, for this legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, if you did enjoy this legal breaking reporting and video analysis update, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Secondly, if you want to make sure that you're always up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please hit the bell icon as well as the all notifications option. The bell icon is located directly beneath the screen here on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Thirdly, if you guys would also like to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias. That'll be linked down below in the video description. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok and Instagram. There you guys will be updated instantly when I upload video brand new that is legal breaking analysis, reporting videos, and video analysis updates. Fourthly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 160 plus subscribers. 170 plus subscribers. The reason why I'm saying 170 plus subscribers, ladies and gentlemen, is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 plus subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers. Fifthly, ladies and gentlemen, please stay safe. Please stay positive. Positive. And always look for the points of light in today's induced illegal darkness caused by the illegal, unconstitutional Trump administration, Trump regime. And know that justice will prevail correctly eventually on the correct side of the law, despite Donald Trump and his illegal, unconstitutional administration and regimes, illegal executive orders, actions, and behaviors, and lies. And please stay safe. And know that I will talk to you guys and look forward to talking to you guys in my next legal breaking reporting. For now, please continue fighting for democracy and for America, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, F Taco Boy.